3 times a plus 1 all over a minus 4 is equal to 6. We have to find the value of a. Give us 3 times a plus 1 all over a minus 4 is equal to 6, which can be written as 6 over 1. The next step, what we are going to do is we are going to perform cross multiplication. We are going to take the numerator of the fraction at the left hand side, we multiply by the denominator of the fraction at the right hand side. Then we take the denominator of the fraction at the left hand side, we multiply it by the numerator of the fraction at the right hand side. This will give us 3 times a plus 1 times 1 is equal to a minus 4 times 6 as such. This will give us 3 times a plus 1 to be equal to, we are going to expand what we have at the right hand side. A times 6 gives us 6a. Negative 4 times 6 gives us negative 24. Next, we are going to expand the left hand side. 3 times a gives us 3a. 3 times 1 gives us plus 3 is equal to 6a minus 24. The next step, we are going to bring the like terms together. All the terms in a, we are going to send them at the left hand side. This will give us 3a minus 6a. When the 6a crosses the equality sign, it becomes negative 6a is equal to negative 24. When 3 crosses the equality sign, it becomes negative 3. 3a minus 6a gives us negative 3a is equal to negative 24 minus 3 gives us negative 27. The next step, for us to get the value of a, we are going to divide both sides by negative 3. Negative 3a divided by negative 3 is equal to negative 27 divided by negative 3. Negative 3 will strike off negative 3. This will give us a to be equal to negative 27 divided by negative 3. It gives us positive 9. Since we are dividing two negative numbers, the result will be positive. Therefore, our a is equal to 9. Please, if you like the video, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much for watching.